I was about to jump on, you know, actually I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so I decided to let y'all drive to work with me today, man. You know, think about the manual. A lot of people say driving the manual in traffic is like super challenging, you know, and all the traffic and stuff. But I want to show y'all my perspective of driving a manual car to work, bro. Today is President's Day, so it shouldn't be a lot of traffic. And honestly, that's the only reason I drove the car. Well, that's one reason. Second reason is it's supposed to be like 80 degrees today here in Dallas. So I usually only drive the car like on good, fair weather conditions. And today, so it's President's Day and it's 80 degrees. I'm like, it's perfect. Shouldn't be a lot of traffic on the road. The weather is nice, you know, so I'm gonna take the car today. So I was like, man, you know what? Let me show these people what it's like driving a manual in traffic. Look at these downshifts, bro. The pops. My goodness, man. Look at that, man. First gear. Boy, I'm telling you, man, how can you get tired of that, bro? Right now, this is probably one of my favorite sections of going to work. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, bro. It's a lot of twisty, bendy roads. Super fun when there's not a lot of traffic, bro. Super fun. But again, this is rush hour in the morning, so there might be some traffic, and some people don't really like to take these turns very fast. They're not like crazy tight, but some people are just very cautious when they drive. Used to actually do a lot of motorcycle riding back here on the exact same route, man. See, right now I'm gonna drop the third. I don't have to, but I just want to right there because it's fun. That's why I like driving this car into work sometimes, because if I'm gonna try to work, at least let the drive be fun, you know? I'm just go ahead and go to fourth though, you know, keep the car calm. Here's another turn right here. Like, look at these turns, bro. So much fun, I'm telling you. Like, in this car, takes it like a champ. Look at this, champ, like easy. And I can tell the difference. I watch some cars in front of me, like maybe a non-sports car, and like they have to like slow down and take these turns. I can carry that turn probably through these turns. This sign says 30. I probably can carry like 70 through that turn, like no lie. It's just very easy to do in this car, because this car is just so planted to the ground. And I keep telling y'all every time I drive, I don't want to sell it. This is a driver's car. Like, watch this. How many G's we pushing? It's only 3.5, 3.7. 3.7 was the highest I got right there in G's. That was 45 miles an hour. I can take that turn so much faster, bro. I hate to drive it because it's just such a fun car. When I drive it, I just like, gosh, it's just so tight on the road. Like, look at this. Super tight, so responsive, feels so glued to the ground. Yeah, right now I'm in fourth gear, and you'll see I haven't really shifted too much. And a lot of people confuse that when you get a manual, like you had to do a lot of shifting, downshifting, upshifting, all that stuff. Honestly, once you get in a good spot like this, there's not a traffic light for a good mile or so up the road here, you don't have to do a lot of shifting, guys. Like, I'm just in fourth gear cruising. Like, it's not bad. The only time you have to do a lot of shifting, I will say, and maybe we'll get to experience this, is heavy rush hour traffic. I drove this car last Friday to work. Man, oh my God, bro. Traffic was terrible. I was like first gear, second gear, first gear, second gear, like over and over again. It is a little annoying, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm probably not gonna beat this Lexus over, because they're going pretty fast. Nah, I'm not gonna beat the Lexus. I probably could have, but I don't wanna be that hooligan this early in the morning, you know? Oh, you could get some downshifts right here. Fourth, third, let me go down, second. Usually go slow as I can and just then put it in neutral. I actually want to show y'all what I look like right now. Let me show y'all. Flip the camera around. Flip the camera. That's what I look like driving. You see what I'm saying? Like, that's what I see. This what y'all see. This what I see. Like, I got this big old thing in front of my face, bro. Oh, here we go. I thought that side over there was gonna go, but they didn't. Oh, that's pretty dangerous too, man. Like, so you gotta just be aware. I knew this car might come over because of that construction right there.
In 1.3 miles, exit to US 75 South Central Expressway.
I want to actually get in front of this 18-wheeler. Because sometimes the trucks go
exit right to US
hella
70.
slow. Usually what I like to do right here, I go ahead and probably downshift. Well, now I'm gonna go on okay speed to be in fifth. I usually like to get over as fast as I can right here, because it's just always a lot of traffic and congestion right here. So I usually try to hop over to the fast lane or this lane. Right now I'm going like 80. So what I usually do, guys, I just go ahead and go to 6th gear now, unless I'm trying to pass somebody. So I'm in 6th. I do want to go around this truck actually, and hopefully he'll get out the way. But you can just kind of tell how some people drive if they're going to move over. And this guy's clearly distracted. I can see him over here, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and go to 5th, and I'm just going to go around this guy because he's clearly doing a lot over there that I don't want to be involved in. So I'm just go around. I'm going pretty fast, and car didn't signal. That's cool. I still can stay in 5th gear. I don't have to downshift or anything like that. I can just stay in 5th. I'm going 83. So now I usually cruise about 77, 80 on the way to work in the morning. In my truck, I usually go like 75, 73. I don't go near as fast. And I don't cruise in the fast lane. If I'm not passing anybody, I usually just get to this lane. I'm gonna go to 6th gear, and honestly, I usually set my cruise control to about 80. I'll take that back. In this traffic, these conditions, I'm gonna set it to 80. If I'm in normal, usually on Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, for some reason traffic is a mess. It's President's Day holiday, a lot of people are not at work, so traffic is pretty light. I usually don't use my cruise control when traffic is heavy, but yeah, I'm just chilling now, bro. Like, it's not bad driving a manual in traffic, and a lot of people may get that misconception that you're gonna do a lot of shifting, and you're really not. Y'all been watching the video, I haven't shifted too much except coming to lights, and the rest of the way my drive to work is going to be freeway, you know? So I'm not really too worried about shifting gears. Go around this car, very easy. Car has enough power and torque to do it, you know? That's the thing about this car. It's perfect for the street, bro, because it has a lot of torque down low, which is perfect for the street, to be honest with you. Like, people like this, bro, I'm going 75, matching your speed. You shouldn't be over here unless you're passing somebody. And that's what people always fail to understand. You're not passing, don't be over in the fast lane, because you're holding up traffic, to be honest with you. I was about to jump on, you know, actually I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Sheesh, this car is fun, bro. Usually it takes me like 45, 50 minutes to get to work on a normal day, but today it only took me 30 minutes. I left hella late. Traffic just light because everybody off work. Car right here. You get some people like this, man, be flying. They be getting it, bro. Trying to get what they trying to get to. How slow this white car is going in the fast lane. Like, they should not be over here. And look how much open space. That's what causes traffic. Like, seriously, bro. Yes, the police are still there. If you're wondering what app I'm using, that is called Waze, W-A-Z-E, Waze. And basically it's a user interface app where either user can report incident, accident, cop stuff on road, and anybody else using it can confirm something that's there. Or if you're using it and you see a cop you're ahead of me, you can report saying, hey, there's a cop up the road, and Waze will notify me that somebody reported a cop up the road, which would just happen right there. Here we go, a little more acceleration through here. You know, and then you just slow off and be easy. You know, just get a little fun. You ain't gotta do too much. I saw this guy with his light on. I thought he was gonna come over, but he don't want the smoke. It might be a 92, I don't know, 392. It didn't take me long to get to work at all, guys. Like, generally, this takes me so much longer, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the left lane, just in case this light turns red and this truck doesn't make it. I am gonna shift down to 2nd here. You know, take this turn, get a little, this I have a little fun. Jesus, and guess what? That truck got stuck at that light back there. I did not, because I got torque and horsepower, baby. You know, this is another little chance. These are my little spots I just like to get like a little, get up on it a little bit. You know, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy, just, you know, just a little pull, you know. Y'all been watching this channel when I first bought the car. How much better your boy Q has gotten as driving a manual, bro. Like, seriously, bro, like, how much better I have got at shifting is kind of crazy. Now, this part right here gets interesting because this is where driving the manual can be a little tricky. So if I just let go the brake, watch this, the car is gonna roll back. I'm rolling backwards right now. So that's one. So you gotta, you know, find the clutch, bite point, you know, let it go forward. I used to stall all the time right there. This is the other hard point. You gotta clutch and you gotta like be quick because I don't want the gate to come back down. I don't think it's gonna come back down. I'll just be scared it is, but this is what I like to do. You know, just a little. I swear she they gonna give me one day for doing that crap. Here go another side. I do it away from everybody. I come up here and do it like. so she can't see me. Just like to do it like back here on the backside, you know, just get a little. This car pops so much. If I'm gonna come into the office, bro, I'm gonna have a little fun coming into the office, you feel me? I'm at work, guys. That was just a quick ride with me to work video. Just want to show y'all what it's like. I always park on the edge, bro. Like, I find the furthest spot away from almost everybody, and I park like on the end of everything. And if I get in trouble for my exhaust, I'm just, hey, bro, I wasn't doing nothing. The exhaust is just loud. It really is. Like, it's just a naturally loud exhaust. It just pops. Like, it don't take much. This thing just pops on its own, bro. I'm so used to not my camera working in red that I'm looking like back over my shoulder when I got the camera right here. Like, but red camera, backup camera don't work, as y'all know. So, you know, I'm so used to just doing it on my own, which you should get comfortable anyway. Stop relying on technology so much. But anyway, guys, I'm at work now. This is not how I dress for work. I got a shirt in the back, but I'm at work now. I think y'all come ride with your boy Q to work. That's all I got. I'll catch y'all next week.